best way to engage with the articles is by underlining key points as you read. Watch me as I do this.
British bluebells fail to bloom. Bluebells blanketing woodlands this time last year failed to show as chilly conditions prompt stalks to grow more slowly.
There's no need to highlight the headlines and subheading as these have already been made to stand out. The subtitle can help you with your opening sentence though, as it summarises the whole article.
People desperate for the arrival of spring may have to wait another few weeks for one of the key signs of the season, bluebell blooming.
Read the full sentence before going back to underline key words or phrases.
The cold weather means the bluebells normally carpeting woodlands at this time of year are weeks late, as the chilly conditions have caused the stalks to grow more slowly, the National Trust said.
I haven't underlined chilly conditions as it's the same as cold weather. Information only needs to be underlined once.
Bluebell flowering is predicted to be 3 to 4 weeks away, and the peak could be delayed until mid-May or later.
After you've read 3 or 4 paragraphs, annotate with a summary comment.
The late arrival of bluebells after the coldest March since 1962 contrasts with last year, when one of the warmest and driest Marches on record saw the flowers peak by this time. Matthew Oates, naturalist for the National Trust, said the bluebell starts growing in January with its sole purpose to flower before the other woodland plants. However, timing of flowering depends on elevation, latitude, aspect, soils, geology and local climate conditions. The true beauty of our bluebells, the colour, the scent, the view, makes them an essential and special element to our springtime experience.
The spokespeople's quotes provide useful information, but remember, they are the opinion of one person and not the journalist writing the article.
Drawn from a late spring, says Oates. Make no mistake, spring is going to happen and it may be all the better for the wait. What's interesting is that there is a really good link between late springs and very good summers, and we are overdue, a very good summer, he said.
Don't forget to summarise again after a few paragraphs. You must continue in this way for the rest of the article before you respond to the rest of the question. Well done, you've learnt how to actively read, ready for question 1. Now look at question 1 PowerPoint to see how to answer the question.